how are you all doing? So in today's video guys, I'm gonna do this Joker look, Joker makeup. And have you guys watched this Joker movie or not? Let me know in the comment section below. And I really wanted to do this Joker transformation or makeup, whatever you say. If you guys want to see how I am gonna do this Joker makeup or makeup transformation, then please keep on watching. And for the delay, let's get to the video now. I have moisturized my face already, and I'm gonna use a primer. So for the primer, I'm gonna use this the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, and it will blur my pores, you know, whatever I have. And I'm not gonna use foundation today, so of course. So guys, for the face paint, I'm gonna use this Essence Mixing Zone Mix and Match Your Look palette. This palette, and this one is very affordable, and I have used this to create a avatar look, and it's amazing. Okay, I love it. And next, I'm gonna use. I know. I have talked about this product in my previous video, and this is not good. You know, it's very oily. But guys, I'm gonna mix this two palette and make it work because I don't have any options. So I have to use this one because I don't have more option available for the face paint. So I just have only two. So I have to use it. So I'm gonna use this one, but I will not recommend you guys to buy this one because this one is too good. Okay, so I'm gonna use this palette first, this white shade. Look at this. I have told you I have used this palette. Okay guys, first I'm gonna take this brush, okay, and this white paint, and I'm just gonna paint my face. Guys, this is so hard, but hey, I don't know guys, I found this small brush very easy to do this. How's your day guys? I know I'm gonna post this video like at 7, and it's too cold today, and my best friend of green tea with me always. And I'm using this face paint right here. I know I'm gonna get breakouts today. I know I look so funny because, okay, and I want to look funny as well. My forehead, and look at this. I mean, there is a little bit of gap, you know, this gap, and I'm also gonna leave a little bit gap here. Let's cover my eyebrows. Oh my god, I look like a, cover my eyebrows. I'm gonna take one beauty blender, dry beauty blender, and I'm just gonna dab this. Look at my beauty blender guys. So, and I think I need to go one more round with this white paint. Just only one more round, you know, to cover these shades going here. then again blending. Oh, yeah, now it looks fine. Now let's cover my eyes with this paint. Okay, oh my god, look at my eyes. I'm gonna blend this. And same for the another eye. Sorry guys, I think my husband wants to disturb me and he's speaking so louder. I'm gonna take this Morphe 35B palette. Look at this white shade. It's like almost finished, and I'm gonna use this shade to set this thing here, and let me set my under eye area. Okay. Have you guys ever used face paint on your face? I'm just joking guys, don't skip. So guys, okay, I'm creasing guys, I don't want to zoom you. Next I'm gonna do this, look at this blue thing going around eyes. So I'm just gonna draw this thing first. Okay guys, I'm gonna take this face paint and this blue color right here and this one. So look at this. Ooh. I'm gonna take this blue color right here, and I'm gonna set this blue paint with this blue eyeshadow, as you guys can see. And this one is done guys, and next is this start from like eyebrow, you can see, and I'm just gonna copy that thing. Again the same brush, this one, and the same shade, blue, kind of blue, and I'm just gonna do the same thing for this part as well. Yes, same with this eye, but a little bit shorter, like here. Okay, this thing is done. So now moving on, now I'm gonna do brows. I mean, of course, this little tiny short brows, you know, here. My god, I'm gonna take this red color here first. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take this red shade. I'm gonna set this red paint. I think I need a different brush. I'm gonna take this brush and this So yes, my red eyebrows, and same with other eyebrow. So yeah guys, I did eyebrows. Look at this eyebrows. And now it's time to do this nose, red nose from here. Thank God I did it. And I'm gonna fill this. So guys, now I'm gonna do this lips. I have one red lipstick as well, so I'm gonna use this. Now I'm going to take this brush and the same red shade from this Morphe palette, and I'm just going to take this and just gonna run this. And guys, I'm going to take this All About Matte Essence Compact, and I'm just going to set my this white paint here. Yes, done. And I think now makeup is almost done. I mean, like completely done. So now I'm gonna do this hair, like this green hair. Let's see if it's possible. I'm gonna do this like green hair, and I'm gonna show you the final finished makeup. Okay, so hi guys, how are you? This is the final look, guys. I'm quite happy with the results. And I had this one red jacket, and I have paint my hair green. Look at this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video funny. Also, what do you think about this Joker transformation? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, I did good, bad. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy. Bye bye, love you.